welcome back to my channel. This is Sanvi, and in this video I have got a trick regarding Among Us for you all. This trick will tell you that how you can get all the the skins, hats and pets unlocked without paying a single penny. So guys, this is a really good trick and Among Us, it's very good. Okay, so I'll show you that in this phone I have got them unlocked. I tried them and I got them unlocked, but I'll show you the trick in another phone so you don't think that I have done some cheating. Okay, so this is my phone. Let me show you that I have got them unlocked to make it sure for all of you. So this is me. I know I'm looking a little bit funny. Okay, so this is what I am at the time. Let's see. This is me. Too good it is to have these skins and pets and other things. So let's move to the another phone, guys. Guys, yes, this is the another phone, and now I'm going to tell you that how we do it. Okay, so first of all, I would like to tell you that I have not unlocked anything in this phone. See, I am the normal person. I have downloaded the game now. Okay, so let's move now. So friends, we will just click on open Google and search this Among Us Pets. Nothing more, nothing less. Click on this website, Pets Among Us Vex, whatever it is. Okay, the first website you have to click, and here comes all this. Now guys, you have to choose any of the pet, and you have to remember the pet ID. That is, the pet ID of Squig is 9. The pet ID of Bed Crab is 10. Okay, so let me make my sister choose it because it's her phone and she wants this, and she's my friend. She's my best friend and best sister. So tell whichever you want.
Oh, that ring one.
Ring one? Which one? That's hat.
Oh, whatever.
Sorry guys, she did mistake. Tell from these.
I can do this. Mini crewmate.
She wants mini crewmate, so we will remember the pet ID of this. That is 2. The pet ID of mini crewmate is 2. Okay, so let's move on. So guys, we will move to Play Store now, and we download an app known as CX Files Explorer, and I have downloaded it. You can install it. So let me open it. The pet ID we have to remember is 2. Now at the time we are doing for pets, we go to main storage, Android, data, and then we have to find something related to Among Us. It will be com.nslot/mafia. Here it is. Okay, then we have to move to files, then player prefs. Here we do text, then text editor, and here it comes. Okay, so this is related to editing. So the pet ID of your pet, whatever pet you want, you have to put it in the place of this 0. This 0 before true, and after 255 100. Okay, so the pet ID is 2. Okay, now we move to we want player skins. Okay, we want skins now. So here we do Among Us skins, and it's no risk is there, guys. We click on this website again, and then we choose which do you want. She wants winter gear, guys, and its pet ID is 14, as you all can see. And the for skins, guys, it is this 0. For skins it is this. So we remove the 0 and write 14. Okay, now the last thing is hats. Okay, so now we will move to hats. Just yes, 1 minute. Let's open Google again. And here we open Among Us hats. Okay. Among Us hats are, which make the faces of Among Us players a little bit, like the scary crow and the knife. They make it a little bit scary, or they give you the nature of that player. Okay, it's he or she is dangerous or whatever it is. Okay, so it will take a little time to load, and now we move here. Hats, which one you want? She will. So guys, she wants that ring, that peaceful one. Saw it a minute before. This. It is 32, guys. Angel Hello. So we move here again, our explorer, and this one, this editing you have to do here before this 255. This is the 0. Okay. So it was 32. Okay. It was 32. And now we have to just click on this save button. This save button. Okay, and now I save it. Now let me tell you the result. Or exit this app. Make sure that you restart Among Us. Okay, don't do that. Restart Among Us, and it will take a little time to open. Right, it's just opening. Yeah. So here you see, guys. It is here. The pet we had chosen the hat and the skin. So guys, if you like the video, if you found it informative, then please like the video. And this is gonna work. This is gonna work in all phones. I have tried in both Samsung phones. And one more phone I have tried it in. I think it's Realme. Yeah, I have tried it in Realme and iOS. It may work, okay. And my friends and my brother and my cousins have found it really, really informative. Okay, so let me make you see that it is working in a game also. Let's join a public game. And guys, please like the video if you like it. Subscribe the channel, because it's not like that you all see the video, find it informative, and then also you don't like the video and don't subscribe. That's not the thing. Okay, so let's join. So see, this is my pet with me. This is me, the good angel, my friend, my sister, and this is my skin. And it's working so nicely. And sometimes, I feel that the ones who have these pets and other things, they really become imposters. Let's see one thing. Sometimes they have more chances of becoming imposters, I think, this thing. But I don't know I'll become imposter in this game or not, because I have seen this. I don't know actually. Oh, I have become an imposter. So I think I was right 80% that. Okay, so let's play the game. Thank you and have a nice day.